In today's video, I'm going to talk about CoinManage value tables. Now, this is a bit of a more advanced topic, so if you have not been using CoinManage for a long time, you may want to wait before you attempt any of these actions. So, I'm currently in the CoinManage database view, and you can see here's the current CoinManage value table 2021. If I expand it, I will see all the different countries. I'm using CoinManage USA, so I only see United States and other. And if I just click on a particular type, I'm going to see the values for that type. Now I can change the values very easily. I just click on a particular column, and for example, let's say I want to change this to 1200. I can do that. Type in 1200, then I clicked on the tab button to go to the next field. The default CoinManage value table is shown in the preferences, so tools, preferences, and I only have one value table here, but if I created another one or I had other ones from a previous version of CoinManage, you would see them here. In most cases, when you're using CoinManage 2021, you're going to want the most current value table unless you've created your own value table, and I'm going to show you how to do that soon. So let me show you how to create a new value table. And the reason you'd want to do this is, for example, let's say you have your own value tables, wholesale values, for example, and you want to use those instead of the ones that are in CoinManage, or you have your own values for a particular type of slab coin, which are higher than CoinManage. You could do that as well. So let me select File, New, Value Table, and just give it a name. Let me just call it wholesale values. Now here you have a choice: create an empty table, and an empty table means you're not going to see values for anything unless you've actually input them, and inputting values is a very time-consuming process. The second option is you want to start off with the values from 2021 and change them as needed. So let me go ahead and do that. Now I've got another value table here. If I expand it, it's basically just a duplicate of the 2021 value table. And let's say, for example, I want to change values for 1 cent Flying Eagle. I can just open this up and make changes as needed. To make a change, you can just, for example, click on a column, good for 1857. Let me just type in a new value, 30 here. And I hit the tab button after that to advance to the next column. Which value table is used? There's two settings for this: tools, preferences. And so right now 2021 is going to be used when you're adding coins. You can override this by just selecting the new value table, click OK. Now when I go in the add coin dialog, I will see the wholesale values instead of the default 2021 values for CoinManage. I can change this on a as needed basis as well. Within the add coin dialog, I just simply tell it I want to use the 2021 values instead. To delete a value table, I simply right mouse click and click on delete here. Now that's obviously something that you're not going to do unless you're 100% sure. Maybe you created a new value table and you made some mistakes and you just want to start all over again. That's when you use delete. And another important point is, let's say I come into CoinManage Coin Database Editor and add some new varieties. Now the values for the new varieties will not show up until you update the value table. So you would actually have to select the value table, and then it's under Update Value Table. Select Update Value Table, and that's going to enter blank records for any new varieties you entered using the CoinManage Database Editor.